Hey guys, Minelab Gold here. So I'm back out at the same spot we were in that last video. What we'll do, we'll just get straight into it. I'll head over and smash open that hot rock and see what we can get out of it. You can see how heavily concentrated that part there is, and then we'll spin that over there and you can see that right through there. Yeah, so you can see now that we've busted that up. We've broken that because it was coming from that end, and that iron concentration there and there was probably most likely the target response we were getting. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've got that target response just there. That's pretty much what I was doing. I was working up through this way, just covering the ground as we do. And then listen to that. Absolute beautiful. Anyway, I won't waste time. We'll get this one out. Yeah, so we got some rain last night. Big storm that came through, absolutely beautiful. Just what we need. So you can see that's a deeper response. I'll just bring his up. I haven't had many targets, so I haven't been really able to film anything. Have a couple of little surface ones, but... So we'll come into that with the coil. If you watch the Coiltek sticker, see how it only just started to pick up on it from out there? But that's more the centre of the coil. I've got a good feeling about this one, just because of that sound and the depth it's going to be at. Nice ironstone in there. Beautiful gravel. Oh, this is going to be gold for sure. Into that real thick clay as well now. Real dense stuff. Oh, that's going to be gold. That's going to be gold. Oh, look at that. That's really tough clay there. Oh, you can see the hard stuff, heavy sitting on there. That's about 8 inches now. Alright, we're out. We're out, guys. Okay. Alright, let's see. Listen to that. Alright, I can sort of see where that's going to be. It's about there somewhere. Okay, very close. Alright, maybe not. Maybe I made it fall down. Oh, come on. Alright. Oh, listen to that. Alright, moment of truth, here we go. Oh, listen to that. I reckon I felt something heavy. And there it is, that's gold. That's gold, guys. Oh, look at that. That's a little slug, that one. That's an absolute ripper. Right there. We'll come down on that. Hopefully that'll focus. It's not focusing very well, is it? Oh, I don't know what's going on with the camera. Alright, we'll try again. It's not focusing, is it? Oh, hang on. Ah, there we go. Sitting right there. Right in the front. If you guys want to gather your thoughts and guess that weight, we'll bring it up and... Oh, look at that. That's a beautiful size. Beautiful piece. Solid. Feels solid too. I won't guess the weight on that, I'll let you guys have a guess. Alright, let's clean it. First time it's ever going to be seen and cleaned. Sometimes we just want to savour these moments. Alright, let's get it cleaned. Bit sandy in there. Oh, I probably should put this in a little thing of water and show you guys. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at that piece of gold. Isn't it beautiful? There's a bit of weight. Still not huge, but that's a good piece of gold. That's what we come out here for. See if I can clean more of it. If not, I'll clean it when I get home and put some pictures up. That's funky. That's really cool. Yeah, that's a really cool piece. Wow, very good. Whew. I'll clean that hole back in and just keep going. I've been going for maybe an hour and a half now, because I came out late this afternoon, so I'll see if I can get any more targets worth filming. If not, that'll be a good video, that one. Talk soon, guys. Hey guys, it's me again. So literally I just turned the camera off and then checked the pile. There's nothing down in there. So then I swung just through here, just checking that. That might be getting the camera, I think. Then through here, just around those weeds, across the top there. Listen to that. Alright, we won't waste any time, we'll get this one straight out as well. Okay, that's another nice sound. It's definitely not surface. Bit of charcoal sitting on the top there, just when we got that rain, must have washed it in. Real ironstone country this, like. Oh, just trying to break that off to show you. Yeah, just ironstone right through here. I'll just move them just in case that's taking it out of focus. nice sound, beautiful sound. Oh, right near this big chunky bit of ironstone that's in there. Oh yeah, there's like a pocket that runs through. I'll bring these in and show you. Yeah, you can see the ironstone there, and there was like a bit of a pocket in there, so... Oh, that's out. Okay. See you guys there. Just grab me scoop. Still in there. It's got to be gold. Oh, sitting right on the end. That's gold, guys. Oh, that's a cool little piece of gold. I'll just stick it in there. Just sitting there. We'll just zoom up down on that. Oh, it's another funky little piece like that one we just got. I'll just take that out. There we go. Oh, that's pretty cool. Let's just clean that off, and yeah, it's real twisty looking. Yeah, look. So it looks like a molten piece of gold. Beautiful. Well, if you want to gather your thoughts again, and I'll just turn this turn that off. If you want to get your thoughts together and guess what you think that'll be, I'll put those weights up on screen. Very good. Well, how's that? Within 5 minutes. But then it's taken me an hour and a half to get to them, so anyway, I might keep going for another half hour and then just call it a day. I think I've had fun out here. It's always good just getting out and enjoying the bush. And anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll talk next time. See you guys.